Hey, welcome back to Fluentto, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David, and today we're going to talk about something that makes a lot of English learners very, very nervous.
You know that moment. You're at a party, or maybe you're at work, or you're waiting in line somewhere, and there's someone next to you. And they say, "Hi, how are you?"
And you say, "Fine, thank you, and you?"
And they say, "Good."
And then,
Nothing. Just silence. You smile, they smile. It's awful.
it's so awkward. And here's the thing. This happens to almost every English learner. You know some words, your grammar is okay, but the conversation just stops.
Yes, and today we are going to fix that forever.
After this video, you will know exactly what to say to start a conversation, what to say to keep it going, and, most importantly, how to sound natural doing it.
So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk about small talk.
Okay, first things first. What is small talk?
Right, so small talk, this is a great phrase. It means light, friendly conversation about everyday topics. Nothing too serious, nothing too personal, just easy, comfortable conversation.
Think about it like a warm-up. Before you have a big, important conversation, you do small talk first. It's like stretching before you exercise.
Oh, I like that. And small talk topics, what kind of things do people talk about?
Great question. Common small talk topics are the weather, your weekend, food, travel, work, not in a serious way, and TV shows or sports.
Simple things, everyday things.
Exactly. And here's something really important for our learners to understand. In English, especially in countries like the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, small talk is a social skill. It's not just polite, it actually shows that you are friendly and open.
Right, so if you only say, "Fine, thank you," and then go quiet, people might think you're not interested in them. But actually, you are interested. You just don't know what to say next.
And that's totally normal. So let's fix it.
Okay, David, let's start at the very beginning. How do you actually start a conversation with someone you don't know very well?
So there are a few simple ways to open a conversation. Let me give you 3 of the most natural ones. Number 1, and this is classic, comment on something you both can see.
Yes, like your shared situation. You're both waiting for the same bus, you're both at the same event, you both see the same thing.
For example, this line is moving so slowly, isn't it? Or if the weather is bad, can you believe this rain? It came out of nowhere.
See how these sentences end with a small tag? Isn't it? Didn't it? These tags invite the other person to answer. They say, "Talk to me. I want your opinion."
That's such a good trick. It's like leaving the door open for them.
Exactly. Now, number 2, give a compliment.
Ooh, people love this one. Something like, "I love your bag. Where did you get it?" Or, "That looks delicious. What are you eating?"
And notice you don't just give the compliment, you add a question at the end. The question is what keeps the conversation alive.
Perfect point. Never just say, "Nice shoes." That's a dead end. Say, "Those are really nice shoes. Are they comfortable?" Now they have to talk.
Now they have no choice. And number 3, ask for help or an opinion.
Oh, this one is great because people love to feel helpful.
For example, in a coffee shop, "Excuse me, have you tried the chocolate cake here? Is it good?" Or maybe you're at a work event. "This is my first time at one of these. Do you come here often?"
That last one, "Do you come here often?" It's a little bit funny in English, actually. It's an old phrase that people sometimes use as a joke, but it works perfectly in the right situation.
Yes, it has a reputation, but in a genuine, casual moment, it's very natural. Okay, so let's review. 3 ways to start: comment on your situation, give a compliment with a question, or ask for help or an opinion.
Say these out loud, everyone. Practice saying them with confidence. The words themselves are easy. The challenge is just being brave enough to say them.
Okay, so we started the conversation, but now comes the part that so many learners struggle with, keeping it going. David, what is the secret?
So the secret, and I think this will actually surprise people, the secret is not about what you say. It's about showing genuine interest in the other person.
Say that again, because that's big.
The secret to a great conversation is making the other person feel heard and interesting. When they feel that, they will keep talking, and the conversation continues naturally.
So it's less about having amazing things to say and more about listening well and responding well.
Exactly, and there are two super simple tools for this. Tool number 1, reaction phrases, and tool number 2, follow-up questions.
Let's start with reaction phrases. These are the small things you say to show you're listening. Because when people can't see your face, like on the phone or when you're in a different language, silence can feel very uncomfortable.
Right. So in natural English conversation, people constantly say small things to show they're engaged. Things like, "Oh, really? Wow, that's interesting. No way. I didn't know that. That makes sense." Yeah, I know what you mean.
These are called back channels. They're little signals that say, I'm here, I'm listening, keep going.
And this is something a lot of learners forget to do. They're so focused on thinking about what to say next that they forget to just react.
Yes, in your own language, you do this automatically. You probably say, uh-huh, or really, without even thinking. In English, you need to do the same thing.
Now, let's look at the second tool, follow-up questions. This is how you keep the ball in the air. You never let the conversation fall down.
And the best follow-up questions come from something the other person just said. So you're actually listening and then picking up a detail from what they said.
Let me show you an example. I'll be speaking to you, Anna, and you show how to use a follow-up question.
Okay, I'm ready.
So, how was your weekend?
It was really nice, actually. I went hiking on Saturday.
Oh, wow. Where did you go?
A place called Green Hill Park. It's about an hour from here.
Is that the one with the lake view? I've heard it's beautiful.
See that? David didn't just say, cool, and move on. He picked up the detail, hiking, and asked, where did you go? Then he asked another follow-up about the specific place.
Every answer has details hiding inside it. Your job is to find one detail and ask about it.
It's like a little treasure hunt in the conversation.
I love that. Yes, a treasure hunt.
Okay, let's talk about mistakes. Because I think when learners know what not to do, they start improving really fast.
Great idea. So, mistake number 1, answering questions too briefly.
Oh, yes, this is so common.
Someone asks, "How was your weekend?" And the learner says, "Good." Full stop. Nothing else.
And now the other person has to work so hard to keep the conversation alive. It becomes a game of 20 questions, and it feels more like an interview than a conversation.
To fix this is what I call answer plus give. You answer the question, and then you give something extra. Give a detail, give a feeling, give a question back.
So instead of good, you say, really good. I finally tried that new Italian restaurant on Main Street. Have you been there?
You answered, really good, and you gave them something to work with. Now they can ask about the restaurant or they can talk about their own weekend. The conversation has many possible directions now.
Beautiful. Okay, mistake number 2, translating from your first language.
Ah, this one is so relatable.
So in your language, you might have very direct questions that are totally normal. But in English, some of those questions can sound a little too personal too quickly. Things like asking about someone's salary, age, or relationship status right at the start.
In English small talk, especially with someone you just met, you stay in the comfortable zone first. Work, hobbies, travel, food, current events.
And then, as you get to know the person better over many conversations, you can go deeper.
Okay, mistake number 3, and this is a big one, being too formal.
Yes, I hear this a lot.
Some learners are so careful about grammar and vocabulary that they sound like a textbook, and native speakers can feel a little uncomfortable with that.
You know, in spoken English, people use contractions. It's, not it is. I'm, not I am. Didn't, not did not. They use simple words. They pause, they say, and you know.
Being natural is actually more important than being perfect. Nobody is grading your grammar in a conversation.
Except your English teacher, maybe, but they're not at this party.
Exactly. In real life, warmth and effort matter much more than perfect grammar.
Okay, my favorite part of every episode, it's role-play time. We're going to show you a full small talk conversation from beginning to end. Listen for all the techniques we talked about.
The situation is, Anna and I are both at a colleague's birthday lunch. We've met once before, but we don't know each other well. I'm going to start the conversation.
Ready?
Hey, Anna, right? We met at the team meeting a few weeks ago.
Oh yes, hi David. Good to see you again. Are you enjoying the lunch?
I am. The food is amazing. I just tried that pasta dish. Have you had it yet?
I haven't yet, but I've been hearing great things about it. I need to go get some. So, are you in the marketing team?
No, I'm actually in product design. I just moved to this office about 2 months ago.
Oh really? Where were you before?
I was at the Manchester office, so this is still quite new for me.
Wow, that's a big change. Do you like it here so far?
Honestly, it's been great. The people are really friendly, though I'm still getting used to the commute. It's about 40 minutes each way.
Oh, I know that feeling. Mine used to be an hour. I started cycling to work last spring, and it changed my life.
No way, you cycle? Even in winter?
Well, almost. I draw the line at ice, but most days, yes.
That's impressive. I've been thinking about getting a bike, actually. Any advice for a beginner?
Oh, definitely. Okay, so first thing, get a good lock. The good bikes in this city disappear fast.
Okay, let's look at what happened there.
So first, we started by remembering something from before. We met at the team meeting. That's a warm, friendly opener between people who've met once.
Then we both used follow-up questions constantly. Every time one person shared a detail, the other picked it up. Where were you before? Do you like it here? You cycle?
We also used reaction phrases. Oh, really? Wow, that's a big change. No way. These made it feel like a real conversation, not a quiz.
And at the end, Anna gave a personal detail, cycling, and I showed genuine interest by asking advice. Now we have a whole new topic to explore.
This is how conversations grow naturally. You don't need a script. You just need to listen, react, and ask one more question. Okay, David, let's give our learners a quick cheat sheet. 10 phrases they can start using today.
Perfect. Here we go. To start, I don't think we've officially met. I'm David. This is my first time here. What about you? Can I ask, where did you get that? It's great.
To keep going, oh, really? How long have you been doing that? That's interesting. What made you decide to... I know exactly what you mean. I had the same thing happen to me.
To react and show interest? No way. That's so funny. Wow, I had no idea. That makes total sense.
To end a conversation warmly, it was so nice talking to you. I hope we get to chat again. That last one, ending a conversation warmly, is so important, and people often forget it. A good ending makes people remember you positively.
Always end a conversation with warmth, even if it was short.
Before we finish, I want to say something important. Just for a second. Something that's less about phrases and more about how you feel.
Go ahead.
A lot of English learners tell me, Anna, I know the words, but I get scared. I freeze, and then I say nothing. And I want to say this directly to you, if that's you. That feeling is completely normal. Even native speakers sometimes feel awkward starting conversations. Even people who are very confident in their own language feel nervous in a new one.
The only way to get better at small talk is to actually do it a little bit every day, with a cashier, with a neighbor, with a colleague. Small moments.
You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be fluent. You just have to be brave enough to say, "Hey, how's your day going?"
And every time you do it, every single time, you get a tiny bit better and a tiny bit less scared.
We are proud of every single one of you who is trying. Seriously, learning a language as an adult is one of the hardest things and most beautiful things a person can do.
You've got this.
Okay, let's finish with a challenge for you this week.
Yes, your challenge, and we want to hear about it in the comments, is to start one small talk conversation in English this week. Just one, with anyone.
It can be at a coffee shop, at work, online with someone, anywhere. Try one of the openers we taught you today and see what happens.
Then come back here and tell us, how did it go? What did you say? What happened?
We read every comment. We love hearing your stories. And honestly, reading about your small wins is the best part of our week.
And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other English learners find us, and it helps us make more videos like this one.
Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We post new videos every day. Real conversations, real situations. Practical English you can use the same day.
We have videos on everything: job interviews, giving opinions, phone calls, shopping, expressing feelings, everything you need for real life.
The link for our full playlist is right below this video, and we also have a free vocabulary list from today's episode. You can download it in the description.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Take care of yourselves, keep practicing, and remember, every conversation is just a small hello away.
See you next time. Bye.